Front left alignment is perfect. Moving to the rear now.
Confirmed. The panel gap here is precise.
The compression readings on the rear axle are exceeding the threshold.
Yes, I see that. Check the braking pressure at maximum articulation.
The carrier is maintaining optimal speed through Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. The energy readings on the stabilization clamps are holding steady.
The archival data confirms the production date.
Good. We can authorize the final shipment protocol.
All systems report green across the board. The sequence is complete.
Good. Let's finalize the reports and secure the line.
The alignment on the front panel looks perfect.
Confirmed. All specs are within tolerance.
This cycle is a success. There's a discrepancy in the data reconciliation here.
Yes, validating the sensor logs now.
The thermal signature on the rear left panel is slightly elevated.
Yes, but the structural integrity scan shows no anomalies. The paint finish is flawless.
Thermal readout on the grille looks good. No anomalies.
Confirmed. The finish is flawless as well.
Dennis?
This gap in the guarding needs to be addressed before reactivation.
Yes, the clearance here is insufficient.
Agreed. I've logged it for immediate review.
Voltage stabilized right after the adjustment.
Yes, the load graphs are normalizing. We're within optimal parameters for the Blue Car line.
This torque reading on the rear axle seems low.
Yes, but it's within the acceptable variance for the GT trim.
The overnight run was stable.
The articulation on this welding unit seems slightly off spec.
I noted the deviation. We'll check the servo alignment next week. We need to shift the robotic arm service to Tuesday.
That conflicts with the paint booth calibration.
I know, but the throughput optimization requires it. Let's adjust the calibration window.
All systems checked. The dark blue project is fully offline.
Confirmed. Final readiness achieved for the new project.
All subsystems confirmed in safe idle mode. Verification complete on panel 4.
Acknowledged. Updating the central log now.
All parameters checked. Signing off on the final audit. Looks good. Production can proceed.
Platform sequence 7 initiated. Confirmed loading bay access.
Acknowledged. We are clear for immediate transfer to the ship manifest.
Bringing it down now.
Clear on the right side, keep coming back.
The blue sports car is ready for the 1400 slot. Confirmed. I've updated the manifest on the tablet. We are clear for departure.
Verify the securing straps and the final mileage.
Confirmed on both. Checklist complete, ready to roll.
synchronized. You are clear to proceed. Carrier 4-2.
Roger that. Rolling out.